Hello YouTube, I'm a pretty princess today and we're gonna be using this snowball right here, not specifically, but to like kill the monsters. I got this idea from, I maybe put him in the link of the video. So, yeah. If I can't find him, then I'll just shout out to him. I got this idea from somebody. I might not use. We're gonna do lots of ideas today. So I'm gonna go get this flare. I'm gonna show, and I'm gonna make a content creator code in a bit. You'll see my content creator code. I'm gonna show you it, and I'm gonna make it. I will not be joining it too often, but yeah. Also, just like and subscribe, since yeah. Anyways, you can eat the things now. Oh wait, I forgot. This is the best thing to do if you're bored, to be honest. Oh shoot. Oh god. Sorry. Sorry guys. So this is pretty goofy. I'm not gonna be editing my videos. Sorry for the lag. I'm listening. Do you make it 18? I don't have that much time. Stunk. Have idea. Oh, what this? I'm gonna get that soon. I'm gonna get you real soon, buddy. Don't you worry, bro. Okay, let's see. Forward. For what? He's my parents. He take 4. 10. Shut up. Be quiet, Mom. I'm racist. I'm kidding. I'm not racist. I'm black. I'm black in real life, so I'm not racist. I'm gonna get canceled, aren't I? If someone can edit my videos, I need to get an editor. When I'm grown up, I'm probably gonna get myself an editor or just edit these videos myself. I'm gonna try to edit these videos because I really just need to. This video is gonna be pretty special. Oh, are you serious right now, Dad? Forget what I have to do. What I have to do is go over here and get the freaking explosive. I'm gonna get killed. It's time to have fun. I'm gonna be watching Uncle Samsonite season 2, 1 and 2 and 3 on the next, well, like in 2 episodes of this, probably, or a bit. I just need to figure out how to do it because I'm gonna do it on a phone or an Xbox, either one. Because the Xbox is where I keep all my stuff, to be honest. This morning, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm not going over there again. It's my least favorite thing that happens to that one. Oh, that's not that many. No, never mind. I am not going over there. I changed my mind. We're just gonna do some trading. Trading. I'm just gonna do trade. Really have one. Oh yeah, I'm a little bit. I'm okay. So I'm gonna be getting $50 for my birthday, probably. So my birthday is after Christmas. Trust me, it's 2 months after Christmas. It's Christmas. So, going into a PvP lobby, trading this. Yo, dog, do you have anything to trade for this? Do you have anything to
Trade for
trade for
what?
this? This grenade right here.
Oh no.
Okay, go back to our spot.
What's your name? Oh, there's your name.
Do you have
What's your
anything to
name?
trade
What's your
for
name?
this thing right here?
Okay.
No backpacks. Well, I just sold this big backpack for 2 clays.
Chris, this is where
It was there tiny.
Go for it.
Excuse me,
You never got to me.
Can you trade?
Bro, there's
Excuse me.
just another. I found a ray gun
Purple,
sitting on the ground.
Would you like to trade
Yeah.
anything for this? That's
Is anyone kind enough to give me a rocket ammo?
He left.
I'm trading it. I'm trading it. Boom,
Who wants to make money?
boom. Anything.
Who wants to
Okay,
make
I'll trade
money?
you something. I'll trade you something.
What?
Okay.
Go to Walk Monster Cave to get money, okay?
Wow, I'm lagging.
You're lagging. No, I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Oh, great.
That just happened. Trading a boom. Trading No. Why am I lagging so bad?
Fuck.
I just like something happened. What just happened? Jeez. Did I just lose something? That just happened.
Here, I'll put this grenade inside. It's heavy.
Putting trading this.
Color, bro. It's a different
Everybody, I'm
color.
trading
That's
this
what's wrong.
grenade for RPG today.
It's not
Ain't
white.
no way, bro.
It's not white. No.
What is that?
Now I'm gonna fly away. Different is that it's white.
Guys, is this a PvP?
Let me come with.
No.
How do you get balloons?
I'm gonna watch him up here. Hey, dude, I know how to use that. I know how to use it. Okay, there we go. Wait, dude.
How you even do that?
What the?
How you even do
Poopy
that?
head?
I blew up a condom.
Trading
Can you
this
tell me
grenade for any
how you do that, by the way?
anything. For that anything.
Ooh, I'll trade this grenade for that.
Give me the
grenade! Give me the grenade! I'll give you the
Give me it.
grenade for a grappler. I'll give you
No,
the
where's any?
You know
Hey, bro.
what? You're going flying. You're flying up now. I'll give You're you gonna a jump. I'll give you a grappler, bro.
Stay still.
I'll give you a
still.
grappler.
Yo, stay still, stay still.
Back up! Back up, my boy!
Hey, bro, how you do that?
Jump.
How you do
Jump,
that?
jump.
How you do that?
I'm gonna make him. Man, you guys are gonna steal it.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro.
Man, the deal's on.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. How you do
Why
that?
am I still alive?
Where you?
Last balloon.
Where, bro? Where you buy that? Where did you buy that?
I don't know, man. I don't know, man. You should jump really high right now.
How do you even
should
do
jump.
that to me?
You should jump.
Bro, I can't see nothing.
I am!
Jump.
How did you do this to me?
Bro.
How did you do this to me?
Reindeer. I want you to say. I want to show you something. Come
Man.
here.
Who wants a rare bag? Who wants a rare bag?
I want to show you something.
Me.
Like, it's literally the rarest bag in the whole game. Wait, can I have it back, actually? Can I have it back?
Oh, he's not gonna give you it back. Why
I
did you
just-
give it back?
Hey, bro. I'm gonna give you this grappler for that backpack.
What just happened? Nothing. What just happened? What just happened? Just give me it back.
Orange,
Yo,
this
the kid-
backpack full of revolvers.
That's so wise. You do not have a revolver.
I do.
You put it on everything that you do.
I do. But I'm leaving the code now. Bye-bye.
Are you serious? I'm so fat. Nothing. Sorry. Crashing out. My dad told me to spell this.
One W want to get money.
One.
Shut up, little Timmy. No one's gonna join our club with your little Timmy ass. No one.
I'm gonna be repeating the things I have in my backpack. I'm only gonna be saying it one time, and if you want to trade, that's perfectly
Bro,
fine.
give me my flashlight
I
back
have,
now.
I have a few revolvers. I have rocket launchers. I have a shotgun.
I
Trading
bought
this
some-
I'll trade you
grenade,
bright light.
this
I'll trade you
grenade
bright light
specifically
for
for anything.
Oh shit, my.
Are they loaded?
Shut up.
Why did bro leave?
Right, wait,
Bright-
I'm
bright
trading
light
this
for
grenade
anything,
right
guys. Bright
here
light for anything.
anything.
No. Yo, who wants to trade
Okay,
for bright
well,
light? I got bright light.
May I guess? Knocking the mother.
Yo, who wants
Can I have
bright
your
light?
backpack?
What is it?
Ching,
What's in there?
ching,
Nothing.
ching.
Can somebody please
Yo,
buy
who's
me a
gonna trade for
firework?
bright light? Who wants
Backpack.
bright light?
Me.
Okay, what do you want?
You
What
can
are
hop.
gonna trade
It's
for?
Is
mine.
that anybody's backpack or can I have it?
This
It's
little
mine.
you
I was
can have
holding
it.
it a bit ago.
Yo, who wants this bomb? Who wants this bomb?
Oh man!
Me. I want it.
Donk.
Okay, here.
Who wants this
for
grenade?
What? For what? For what?
Nothing.
For what? Yo, who
Give me
wants?
it.
Can someone give me rocket
I
launcher
me,
ammo?
me, I'll trade you this for it. I'll trade you this for it.
Back up right now, or I'm gonna kiss you, dog.
Bro, what?
Wait,
Ready?
let me just do something.
Not you. Not you, idiot.
Can someone?
Can I trade for a rocket launcher?
Yeah,
I'll
right.
trade you rocket launcher ammo and 2 revolvers.
No.
No, he's trading me a grappler.
Just put it in my backpack and I'll drop
Unless,
this.
unless you
Put it in my
have,
backpack and I'll
unless
drop
you
this.
have a full rocket
Oh,
launcher.
okay, damn. Okay. Yo,
Well, actually, never
let's
mind.
trade for backpack and
Unless
bomb.
you have
Backpack and
a
bomb.
full rocket launcher.
I'm not going over.
Full ammo rocket launcher.
Why would
Full
I trade you a
rocket
full
launcher.
ammo rocket launcher for a non-reloaded?
That's pretty crazy.
Someone killed that guy. Someone
Bro,
kissed
it's
that
the
guy.
same thing.
I have to keep.
Who
I
wants
have
my
to keep
backpack?
my
Mine has
videos family
bullets in
friendly, so I can't really. I can't really say.
Guys, I have
bright.
I'm gonna trade bright light and flashlight. Bright light and flashlight.
Brisna wants to trade. Where you at? Brisna wants to trade. Where you at?
Yo, somebody just died.
Bro, what do you need all
Brisna
that?
wants to trade. Where you at?
Gay.
Literally everybody in this lobby joined to
Okay, I'm
go
trying-
to trade.
Let me keep
Right,
it friendly,
join
family
what?
friendly
Give
on
me it
my
back, you
videos,
little
dog.
bitch.
You say
I didn't go in this code just to trade.
Now.
I want
did you
what
join
the
the
code for then.
Fine, I'll be
Bye-bye.
family friendly. I'll be family friendly.
556.
Can I have your backpack?
Nope, you can't have it. No, you can't put it in. You can't.
Why?
It's
No,
yours,
you
you
can't.
know that,
You
right?
can't.
Why?
Get trolled.
I want your
That's
backpack.
Get
fine,
trolled.
I forgot.
Wait, that's mine. I forgot. Bro, I bought that. That thing's like a K. It's a K. It's a K, bruh.
Wow,
I
that
want your
has
backpack.
stuff in him.
I
backpacks
want
for it.
your
Two backpacks for
backpack.
bright light. Two backpacks for
It's
bright
over
light.
there. He's over there!
Backpacks
He
for
just
bright
stole
light,
it, by
bro.
the way.
Bro, I got one.
I can do
I
a
got-
singular light right here.
Oh,
Bro,
I got one
never
Have
mind
my
what
bright light back.
what the
I can
thing-
do this for one of your backpacks.
It has my backpack has stuff in it. Like revolvers
Can
and
Someone
freaking
go
shotguns.
crate hunting.
Okay.
Crate
Yeah, I
hunting?
don't care.
Yeah.
I want your
Let's go
backpack.
crate hunting.
I got a shot. I got
Take this
I'll trade you
backpack.
this for one of your backpacks.
Wait, do you want to join a private code with me to get money?
Cool.
Nuh-uh, buddy. Buddy,
He's just
give
gonna
it
steal
back.
it. Someone. Hey,
Give me that.
he's getting a. He's red watch. He's red watch. Give me it back. Give me it back.
He's such a short.
Give me it back.
Ooh,
bro.
cool.
That's my backpack. That's my.
I'm
that
not red
has
watch,
stuff in
bro.
it. Give me it back.
You're red watch. Backpack.
No, that's the
He's
Vaughn.
red watch. He's red watch.
I
He's
thought I
red
picked it up.
watch.
This doesn't have any.
Your
freaking-
backpack
No,
is on your back, bro.
559 is the code. Blue.
Woo.
559 is the
Hey,
code.
if you kill me, I'll give you everything that's in my
100%.
backpack.
I gotta go.
There are not stuff in this.
No.
Everybody, join code
What do you mean, thank you?
559.
Bro, that's the code.
Thank you.
Yeah, I gave you it.
You
What's
gave
in
me
your
a
other
backpack. Or I found one laying on the ground.
Like, I'm literally just asking. You could pour anything into your backpack, you know that, right? Why are you joining another code? Isn't that nice? Couldn't code money. I know my viewers are still here. Sorry for the non-family friendly guys. I mean, that wasn't family friendly. Bro, my PC! Bro, my PC, bro!
Oh, fuck
I'm
this.
lagging, bro!
Oh, I do. Okay. Wait, can you hold this? Can you hold this shotgun?
Are we making money in this
Everybody
code? Like,
will
how much
hire
money are we
Fortnite.
making?
Are you Olo?
Are you Olo? Or Olo?
Yeah, that's me.
Alright, I sent you one.
Depends. 100K a day. Does it?
Damn, dog, but I'm lagging a lot right now, bro. I'm like lagging so bad.
Hear me? Where are you? Where are you?
See,
I'm-
steal, bro.
I'm
just
not
stole my
I
shotgun,
found
bro.
the video. Can I
Can you
join?
help me,
How the fuck
please?
would you steal my shotgun, bro?
I'm in.
Sure.
Bro, we know you like your suitcase,
You know what?
dog.
And I like my
crazy, bro.
suitcase.
Why is this just laying here, dog?
Anybody help me get purple coins?
I like it.
No, but still. I like my suitcase.
Bro stole.
I don't know why, but I only know that I like my
shotgun.
suitcase.
I like
Can
my
I
suitcase.
trade this for
I
an
think Pro likes his
RPG? Can I
suitcase.
trade this for an RPG?
That's my. I just lost my autistic dog. So my autistic brother tried to gain Tracy back. Like, he ain't autistic though. Sure is smart, but he ain't autistic. I mean, sorry to say, but I'm autistic. Sorry to say, I'm autistic. It's crazy. Who likes your do you guys like your suitcase? Like, just asking. Oh wait, never mind. You'll never know about my prank. I just did it. They're pretty fast without a lot of fuel. I pranked them. Yeah, I'm not going over there. What heavy game I play? Not every lobby I join. I had to get 10 revolvers. Right, and yes, I'm still doing my giveaway from the last video. And if you guys are wondering, I might give you the hoverboard. But I'm gonna be unlocking. It's gonna be tomorrow at around 2 p.m. Not 2 p.m. I realize I'm going to school all the time. By 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. I'm doing it at that time. Why did I say 2? Hi, Siri, sign up. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Oh, I forgot. What's in that backpack of yours?
Let me put my yeehaw horse on.
Hey, excuse me, you. You
Two
on the
of
blue
those big
backpack.
sticks. I mean, swords.
Ninja.
Are you speaking Scorpion or something?
No. Bruh. I trade my rocket
No.
launcher to somebody
No, I
for
said
this
you own
gun.
them.
There's no one want a blue pepper for this gun.
I
It's
feel
cool. I have a gift for you though. I have a gift.
No, but
I have a
I'll
gift for you
shoot
though. I have a
myself.
gift. I have a gift.
monsters.
Take this. No, no, no.
What do you mean monsters?
Hey, you! I have a gift for you. Excuse me, sir. I have a gift for you.
Why?
Use this
Who
in
wants to
combat.
glitch RPG
Use
that?
that in combat.
No.
No, don't believe them. No.
I'm doing as many laps as I can.
If you go
Very
outside,
funny.
if you give someone a dynamite that's like that much lit, and you make them go outside safe zone and light, it'll kill them, even though you're the one who
I already have
lit
an
it.
RPG.
Stop trying to trick me so you can get my RPG, buddy.
For what? Okay, then take this one. Take
Or I'll
this.
report you.
Then
to
take
the-
this, man. Take this. Take this.
Wait, we're gonna play a game then? Trying to steal my stuff?
It's fully. I didn't
I
even
know
hide
I'm so
it.
good.
Is it reading?
Yo, where's
No.
the kid with the hoverboard?
Don't want that.
Me.
Get out! What do you want for your? Excuse me. What do you want for your revolver? Anything?
He over here yelling at
Hey,
people
excuse me, sir.
for no fucking reason.
Shut the hell up, man.
Oh my shit. Like you took
Man, want that gift right there? Man, it's a gift. It's a gift. Just take that gift. It's good.
Why does
Man, that's a good
everybody
gift, right, man?
want to trade for this?
Who wants to go to
What's in your
sewers?
backpack?
Who wants to go to sewers?
Do you own anything?
Yeah, I guess. Shut up!
Nothing.
I'm reporting you.
No, nobody
got
likes
on video.
zero bombs. It's useless.
Only like 6 people like me.
Yes, Daddy.
Do you own
Bye.
the blue backpack? Do you own it? Like, can you buy it?
Ooh,
I
bitch.
need one right now. Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Come here, boy.
Sure. In a minute.
I suck.
I'll give you. Wait, do you want to go to sewers?
I like you. I don't want to go.
All right, let me get some stuff before we go.
Yeah.
Bro, how do I change my skin color?
How do I change my skin?
Yo, what's your
color?
name? What's your
Crazy.
name? What's your
I have
name?
a blue backpack.
Meta Mason 10.
Everything should be in this blue backpack right now, except this. There should be everything. Gotta think this. Got the backpack finally. Okay, so we're probably up the giveaway. Everybody, subscribe to Munker Gamer. I'm doing a giveaway right now. Hey, Donk Donk. Hey, you hit me.
Oh, no. I'm doing... Where are you?
I have a question for
Why are
you.
you shooting Prince?
I
Come
got a
back to the camp.
$15 gift card for Meta Fashion or stuff.
Am I gonna be the present?
You almost killed
Wait,
me.
yeah.
though. You almost killed
Yeah, that's a good
me.
method. This is actually surprisingly a good way.
Anything you want.
What should I get?
Revolver out of ammo. No.
I got a
Um,
$15.
Yeah, the rest is easy from here.
You should get.
This way.
You should get. You should get the research pack.
Why do you need 2?
Yeah.
Nah, just don't be bad at the game.
Someone buy me a gun.
I'm trying to make this video family. Please stop doing
Shut
this.
up, you dummy.
You shut up.
No,
No,
you
you
shut
shut
up,
up.
kid. You shut up. You. No, I'm gonna call a cop. You're not even 13. I'm calling the cops, bro. Banana Man, yeah?
Yo, do you like your suitcase?
Control the monster?
Oh my god.
The present's about to open, guys. I already shot an RPG at it. I don't think it's gonna open.
But
I can't do it.
Dude,
I already shot an...
Banana.
Guys, it opened. Never mind. Bro, shut up and get off the radio. Check that one out. You are so loud.
It's like your mom in the bedroom. My
I'm going at Mom.
Excuse me. Jump out your backpack and I'll give you a backpack.
Kneel down. Bro, that present just won't bust open.
Hey, I want that. As soon as I trade this, bro, that.
Dad just said the B word.
Nope, you're not.
Ah!
You're not scamming.
No,
What do you mean I'm not
There's nothing
scamming?
in
This
there.
It's so
Except this.
He's gotta go to jail now.
Guys, I'm gonna fly Mach 20 to the
You want
dog.
that back? He's gonna scam.
Wait,
He's
Can
gonna
someone
scam you.
crack open that present? I don't know what's gonna work, but most likely 2
Idiot.
RPGs, but I shot an RPG at it and it didn't work.
He was gonna scam you.
Bro, I guarantee you that. Why is this here?
Okay, ready to do it out. It's only a miles an hour, yet nothing happened.
Video, by the way.
Drop that.
I just flew across the entire map by using the invisible.
I don't know.
Bubba.
I'll show you to my 18,000
Y'all,
subscribers.
I'm going to get
guess
Pokemon.
what?
What you gonna do?
I like my suitcase.
I didn't even
In
do
the shop.
anything.
Y'all come here.
Present is broken.
Yo,
I
just scammed a bunch of people for
a grappler. Scammer gets scammed.
like look,
Open that.
you meant what? I scanned someone to get this. So listen, what they did is they dropped all of their items into there. It was in a private, and then I picked this item up,
And then a sword.
and then he said, "Wait, no, I want that." And then I took
Why
it
you
and joined
laughing,
around.
dog? Everybody report Yellow. He's stealing stuff. Die over young. And he
Okay.
left because he's a little boy.
Who's yellow?
No, he left.
Which one?
Everybody, I'm doing a giveaway.
I don't have
Excuse me, sir. I'm doing a giveaway. Subscribe to Munker Gamer.
What's up? Oh, one can.
Hi.
Actually,
And?
just take my
Munker Gamer,
I
right?
already have.
Okay.
I already have.
Then
I
what's
already
my
have
most
subscribed to him.
video?
I need revolver. I need revolver or shotgun
my
ammo
most
desperately.
recent video?
Yeah. Huh? What?
Yes.
Wait. I don't. Wait.
Yeah, no,
What's
I
your
can
YouTube
check my
channel?
subscribers. He's definitely not one of them.
He's not subscribed. He doesn't.
Well, now what are your YouTube channel?
Cause if you wanted to go into the
Okay,
giveaway,
guys, you
then
guys wanna
would've
do- how do you know I'm not
commented
one of them? You don't even know my
commented
YouTube
your
account.
name in the comment. Duh.
climb. Yeah, climb. I just flew with the pogo. Yeah, climb. Yeah.
But and you don't.
Probably only 2 people subscribe to you. My brother has 3,000.
So your brother's just better than you, I guess.
Bro, I'm shaking my booty cheeks.
And actually, I have way.
What the
I
frick?
don't have
Hey,
many people.
I'm
I
falling
think.
again. Get up.
Yep, you're
Yeah,
winner.
you can. Yeah,
And why do you do that, dog?
Yeah,
You're-
kid, shut the frick up. No one
I want to be
cares.
family.
I'm recording
Should I be
this on
family
my
friendly to
phone.
them? Yes or no? Family friendly?
Why is there a giant?
Cause
Why is
you're
there a
dead.
giant?
That's why your mom's dead, you little fucking twat.
Wait, what?
Little fucking bitch.
Yes.
Your dad's dead. That's me. They said it first.
Whoever said that, report
Like your
them.
fucking face.
You're roasted trash.
Exactly like you.
Mom doesn't freaking love you.
I don't know what he's thinking.
You can't report in this
Were you
game.
talking to yourself in the mirror?
Block. Block 8. Block the one with the 8.
Halloween.
Block the gold. Block the gold. Copy the gold. I want to add you. Me. Dude, nobody's joining a call.
Oh my God, guys.
You, shut up. Nobody's joining a call. What's the code? What's the code? 0, 1, 2,
Who
3.
scams?
0, 1, 2. Nobody's gonna believe your scams.
Bro got the ultimate combo, to be honest.
0, 1.
I'm going to destroy the enemies.
Stop.
Anyway, let's see what I can
0,
buy.
1, 2, 3.
Not me.
Long time.
You guys, who wants to join a
just
private
did this
code? Who wants to
code. What
join
do
a
you
private
mean?
code?
Does anyone
Not
want
it.
to
Who wants to
join
join a
a
private code?
video?
Not it.
Oh my God.
Private code?
I
Okay,
got
good.
a flare gun. Fly.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah,
Does
let's join
anyone
this code.
want to donate? I'm doing a
No, I
video.
didn't. No, I
I
didn't.
got
join
a
the
flare
code
gun
earlier. I
so
don't know
I
what
can
to talk
stun
about.
the enemies if I'm bad
This
at
is
aiming.
what I can prove. I
Yes, you
didn't.
did.
I didn't.
I
have
can
it.
stun enemies if I
I
am
didn't
not
just join
bad
this
at
code.
Not
What are
it.
you talking about? Who wants to join a private code though?
In the
Who wants to join a
Not
private
it.
code though? You guys don't want to join? That's fine. See you guys later. Have a good day, guys.
You too.
I think it's Thursday today. Have a good Thursday.
Yes, it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. Wow!
You stop shooting me in the head. That's kind of molesting me at the same time.
Yo, let's go.
Shut the.
Yeah,
I'm
you
not friendly. In the last video I was, but not today.
For what? You own the.
Dude, that's like saying that you're gonna be not family friendly. Everyone go to like we are gonna make
You own
a
the cross country bag. Oh, I do.
I'm gonna.
Why are you doing a YouTube giveaway if you don't have the bag? What about RPG? Do you own the RPG?
Why would I care? Can you explain that to me?
Oh, I
If
own
you
it.
really do, why are you? Then why are you using these?
Hold on.
I'm fast.
Why would I care? I had more a long
Yes.
time
What?
ago. But it
What?
got
No,
lost.
I had 3 RPGs in my bag.
Disconnected from the
I
line.
already said that.
I'm not really mad,
I
dog,
got them
because they
blue.
weren't mine.
Ah!
What's up?
Devon.
Yeah, basically.
Does anyone?
What? So you stole
How the hell are
them?
you doing this?
He admits he stole them.
You're attached. Wait.
Yo,
For me, you're attached to nothing right now.
what?
What?
Not me.
Who wants to join a private server? We're breaking the present. We've already broke
And
so
if you
many.
have
Who
PG,
wants to
why are you
join?
showing it off? Almost
I already
everyone
know
will
how to-
have one by the next.
I already know how to break the present.
No, like, no.
If you're gonna show it off, at least have some fame.
Yeah.
Oh,
and-
my brother has these.
Bro,
on
what's the code? You guys wanna
Why
join
don't
the-
you?
Yes.
No one liked you.
Yeah,
bro, what's the code?
I'm
Code.
surprised.
9876.
9876.
9876. I don't have one.
9876.
That's
Yeah.
right.
9876. Alright, join when you're ready. I'm the only one surviving. And he's dead.
Turn it off.
Ow.
Just
Shut it off!
I got 2 grapplers. I get it.
I said
Oh,
shut it off,
God.
not turn it off.
I got 2 grapplers.
It's Fighthead.
Show me where the.
Wait, what's the code? What's the code?
Is the blue backpack is.
Boing boing.
9675.
I feel like everybody
code is
died.
one-
me there?
2 6
Like in
yeah,
there?
9.
Anybody
1 2 6 9.
Yo,
1 2 6
I'll trade somebody over here. I'll trade you some. I'll trade somebody.
Country
Do you need ammo? Yeah, it's over there. It's a little glitch. Yo,
Who can tell me why I have such a small bag?
Don't let him
Can
listen.
you
Don't
show
let
me
him
where
listen.
to buy
I
that?
think you
Like
already
in
have
the
ammo.
tech place?
What? The best you even own.
He doesn't have any ammo.
Where's this
I was
head?
gonna buy you
Alright,
already.
Buy it.
Blue right here. Blue right here.
Nobody cares.
I am the
Bam.
only Yeah, I do.
Blue right here.
Look.
Blue right here.
Okay,
How'd
I'll you?
That's a
Blue.
lot.
You just
Blue.
wasted $10,000, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it
I'm
later.
gonna own it on my birthday,
Nah.
which is. in a
Yo.
bit.
What about ammo? Do you own any ammo? Cause I own
Three
any
colors.
ammo.
Yeah, I want it.
Purple.
Yeah, I do.
I'll trade you. I'll trade you one of these.
It has, it
Bungee
has
things for that blue
lots
backpack.
of stuff. No.
You don't
Hey, an
know.
RPG for a grappler? An
For a blue
RPG for a
backpack.
You
grappler?
distract him.
Nah, bro. You don't even have your RPG
out. What are you talking about?
He's all about
Matt,
blue backpack. You're a
I could just
grappler. I'll
buy
trade
you
you.
one.
You're a
grappler.
But not.
Nah, that's a scam. A grappler for an RPG?
I'll put a seed in your hands. I'm sorry, I don't know.
I got another thing.
Go here in the street. Give you one of these walkie things.
I
I'll give you one if you
I
give
have
me-
2 heart attacks a day. Is that good?
Please, I need it. I'm trying to clean up trash and get money.
Went with a boom to the.
Just take it out, quick.
Whoa.
Did this video with a boom to the zoom.
No.
Should've just turned off my
I'm leaving.
I can finally be.